How long does it take for acrylic paint to fully dry and become waterproof?
Acrylic paint is a popular medium for artists and DIY enthusiasts alike. One of the reasons for its popularity is its quick drying time. But how long does it actually take for acrylic paint to fully dry and become waterproof? In this video, we'll answer that question and give you some tips on how to ensure your acrylic artwork remains protected.
How long does acrylic paint take to dry?
The drying time of acrylic paint can vary depending on a few factors, such as the thickness of the paint layer, the environment, and the brand of paint. Typically, it takes between 20 minutes to 2 hours for a thin layer of acrylic paint to dry. Thicker layers may take longer, up to several days or even weeks. However, just because the paint is dry to the touch does not mean it is fully cured and waterproof.
When does acrylic paint become waterproof?
For acrylic paint to become waterproof, it needs to fully cure. The curing process is when the paint hardens and becomes more resistant to moisture and external factors. Depending on the thickness of the paint, this process can take anywhere from 2 days to 3 weeks. It's important to wait for the paint to cure completely before exposing your artwork to water or moisture.
How can I speed up the drying process?
While you may want to speed up the drying process, it's important to let the paint dry naturally to ensure the best results. However, you can take a few steps to help facilitate the process. 1. Apply thinner layers of paint. Thin layers will dry faster than thick ones. You can always apply multiple thin layers to achieve the desired effect. 2. Use a fast drying medium. Some acrylic mediums are designed to speed up the drying time of the paint. 3. Increase ventilation. Ensure there is adequate airflow in the room where the painting is drying. You can use a fan to help circulate the air.
How can I protect my acrylic artwork?
To ensure your acrylic artwork remains waterproof and protected, you can apply a clear sealant or varnish after the paint has fully cured. This will create a barrier that protects your painting from moisture, UV rays, and other potential damage. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions when applying a sealant or varnish. In summary, it takes between 20 minutes to 2 hours for a thin layer of acrylic paint to dry, but it can take 2 days to 3 weeks for the paint to fully cure and become waterproof. Be patient, and make sure to protect your artwork with a sealant or varnish once it has fully cured. Happy painting!